I packed my bag and I'm ready for school.
Make sure you've got your lunch and water bottle too.
I saw a butterfly near the bench today.
That's lovely. Maybe it lives in the tree nearby.
Can we go to the park after homework?
Of course, we'll go once everything is done.
My teacher said I did well in reading.
I'm proud of you. Keep practicing every day.
I want to learn how to ride a bicycle.
We'll start this weekend. It'll be fun together.
I helped a friend who dropped his books.
That was kind of you. Helping others is important.
I feel nervous about tomorrow's test.
Just do your best. You've studied really well.
I drew a picture of our family in art class.
I'd love to see it. Maybe we can hang it up.
I forgot my notebook at school today.
We'll check tomorrow. Maybe your teacher kept it safe.
I want to read a new story tonight.
Let's pick one together. Maybe something about space.
I saw a squirrel climbing the tree this morning.
They move so fast, it's fun to watch them play.
I forgot my homework on the table.
We'll take it tomorrow and let your teacher know.
I want to wear my red shoes today.
Those are perfect for walking in the park.
I made a new friend in class.
That's wonderful. Friendships make school more fun.
I spilled juice on my shirt at lunch.
Let's wash it and pick a clean one for tomorrow.
I read a story about a brave lion.
Sounds exciting. Maybe you can tell me the whole tale later.
I saw a rainbow after the rain.
Rainbows are magical. They always make the sky look happy.
I want to help you cook dinner tonight.
You can stir the soup and set the table with me.
I drew a rocket flying to the moon.
That's creative. Maybe we can hang it on the fridge?
I'm learning to count in tens now.
That's a great skill. It'll help you with bigger numbers.
I saw a cat sleeping on the bench.
It must have found a cozy spot in the sun.
I finished my drawing in class today.
I'd love to see it when we get home.
I want to learn how to whistle.
We can practice together after dinner.
I helped clean up the classroom.
That's a great way to show responsibility.
I heard birds singing this morning.
They always make the morning feel peaceful.
I forgot my pencil case at school.
We'll check with your teacher tomorrow.
I want to plant a flower in the garden.
Let's pick a colorful one this weekend.
I saw a cloud shaped like a dragon.
That sounds magical. Clouds can be so fun.
I read a book about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs are fascinating. Which one was your favorite?
I want to build a tower with blocks.
Let's make it tall and strong together.
I shared my snack with a friend.
That was kind. Sharing makes others happy.
I found a shiny rock near the tree.
Maybe it's a special treasure from nature.
I want to ride my scooter today.
We'll go outside once the ground is dry.
I saw ants carrying food.
They work so hard, even though they're tiny.
I made a paper airplane in art class.
Let's see how far it can fly at home.
I want to learn a new song.
We'll find one with fun words and a nice tune.
I saw a rainbow after the rain.
Rainbows always feel like a surprise gift.
I helped my friend tie his shoelaces.
That's thoughtful. Helping others is important.
I want to bake cookies with you.
We'll make them sweet and warm together.
I saw a frog jump into the pond.
Frogs are great jumpers. They love water.
I drew a picture of our house.
That's lovely. We can hang it in the living room.
I want to play a memory game.
That's a fun way to train your brain.
I saw a snail crawling slowly.
Snails take their time, but they always get there.
I want to write a story about space.
Let's make it full of stars and rockets.
I I helped clean the table after lunch.
That's helpful. Thank you for being responsible.
I saw a butterfly land on my hand.
That's special. They don't land on just anyone.
I want to learn how to juggle.
We'll start with softballs and take it slow.
I made a card for my teacher.
She'll love it. Handmade gifts are the best.
I saw a bee buzzing near the flowers.
Bees are busy workers. They help plants grow.
I want to build a fort with pillows.
Let's make it cozy and secret inside.
I helped my friend carry his bag.
That's generous. You're a good friend.
I saw lightning in the sky last night.
It's powerful, but it's safe when we're indoors.
I want to learn how to skip stones.
We'll try it next time we visit the lake.
I made a necklace with beads.
That sounds beautiful. You're very creative.
I saw a squirrel jump from tree to tree.
They're so quick, it's fun to watch them move.
I want to play a guessing game.
Let's start with animals and take turns.
I helped organize the books in class.
That's great. Neat shelves make reading easier.
I saw a spider spinning a web.
They're amazing builders, so detailed and strong.
I want to learn how to draw a horse.
We'll look at pictures and practice together.
I made a puppet from a sock.
That's clever. Maybe we can put on a show.
I saw a fish swimming in the pond.
Fish glide so smoothly, it's calming to watch.
I want to learn a magic trick.
We'll find one that's easy and fun to perform.
I helped my friend with his puzzle.
That's kind. Teamwork makes things easier.
I saw a bird building a nest.
They use twigs and leaves. It's fascinating.
I want to play hide and seek.
Let's find good hiding spots around the house.
I made a crown out of paper.
You're royalty today. Let's celebrate your creativity.
I saw a lizard on the wall.
They're quick and quiet, always watching.
I want to learn how to tie a bow.
We'll practice with ribbons and make it neat.
I helped water the plants today.
They'll grow strong with your care.
I saw a dragonfly near the pond.
They shimmer in the sun, so graceful.
I want to build a bridge with blocks.
Let's make it strong enough for toy cars.
I made a bookmark in class.
That's useful. Now you won't lose your page.
I saw a cloud shaped like a heart.
That's sweet. Maybe the sky was feeling loving.
I want to learn how to fold a paper boat.
We'll float it in water and watch it sail.
I helped clean up the toys.
That's responsible. Thank you for helping.
I saw a bird take a bath in the fountain.
They splash around like they're having fun.